I was always physically working on the roofs. I started when I was like about 20 years old as a laborer on a roofing crew. And then I worked my way up to installing shingles and yeah, I'm here. In my experience from before I had my own business, it was that the homeowners really had no clue what was going on. And oftentimes they didn't want to. They just kind of put a lot of trust in the contractor. And with the many years of experience I have in this industry now, going to leak repairs and things like that, you find a lot of like bad work. And you know that this homeowner paid somebody that they just put their full trust in to take care of this leak, do this repair, or do this roof, whatever the situation may be. And it's wrong in 1,000+ ways sometimes. And I felt like that was a real big miss for the homeowner and for just the roofing industry in general. With the way social media has turned out to be in the last like 5 years, it's a real education tool for people if you choose to see it that way or use it that way. And it also acts for me as free advertising in the same way. And I want to be transparent with the type of work that I'm doing. And I want the homeowners to understand what it is that they're actually paying for. And the differences between a basic roof versus what I'm going to be doing, because also explaining the cost differences of things and why is my estimate this much more than this person's estimate, or how is it that all of the roofing estimates are all over the place rather. I think education is where that needs to start. The homeowner, giving them the power, and then they can decide whatever it is that they want to pay for. You guys have, IKO, when I say you guys is what I mean there, has put a lot of effort into like continuing to better their products and create things that are at the standard that I want to be installing.